Hi, this is Dave from Developer for Lease, and you're watching another video in our series of how-to videos in using WordPress. We're going to look at how you can manage and edit posts in this video. We'll look at a couple of comments that are pending approval. We'll look at a couple of posts, one of which needs to be deleted, one of which needs to be edited. As you can see from our website here and from our blog site, we allow our posts to be published here once they've been approved. So the top one here is a PSD to HTML services one. There's another one we'd like to post above it, but I need to correct it first and I need to approve it. So I'm going to flip over into my admin panel, and I'm going to go click on posts, which gives me this view here. Now I've got one here that's on SQL injection. It's in draft mode, but I actually really don't want to keep it anymore. I'm going to delete it. So as you can see, as I hover over each of these, a menu appears below. So I'm going to hover over the SQL injection one. I'm going to navigate down to delete. I'm going to select delete, and when prompted, I'm going to agree, and now it's gone. Now I've got one here titled glossary, and it is pending approval. So in order for this one to be posted to the website, it will have to be approved. So I'm going to look at my pending review. I'm going to select glossary, and I'm going to publish it. Now because I have privileges, when I publish it, it will appear on the website. So I'll give it a second or two to finish loading and finish doing what it's doing, and then we'll navigate back to the website and we'll see it. While we're waiting for this to be finished and waiting for it to post, the next thing we're going to do is go back to our list and see that glossary has changed statuses. So you can see glossary here now no longer has pending next to it. It's been published. So we'll just navigate over to our website, and we will right click and reload because I'm on a Mac. If you're on a IBM Windows platform, you can hit the F5 key and that will cause a reload as well. Typically you have to reload it or refresh it. As you can see now, as I scroll down, the one that we just published, just approved in fact, is here. Now I've noticed that I've got an error here. This word is supposed to be Joomla, so I left that in there deliberately so you can see how you can then navigate back, make a correction, and then publish the correction out to the website as well. So I'm going to navigate back into my admin panel. I'm going to go get my menu again underneath the word glossary. I'm going to click on edit. After clicking on edit, it gives me my editor window. And I'm just going to key in the correction. I'll give it a quick stick scan and see if I've got that same error anywhere else. I don't. So I'm going to update my post. After clicking on update, it takes a second or two to push the data out into the database and then push the information to the website. And again, when I click over to the website to see if my correction has taken place, I'm going to have to reload my page and just replace the content that's in the cache, because our browsers often cache the information that's there. So the reload function allows you to make sure that you've got the latest and greatest view of the page. Once we complete that, I will go and look at the comments section, because I've got two comments that are pending some attention from us. So now that it's completed its save, let's just go verify that the error has been corrected. I will reload my page, and you can see my error has been corrected down below here. Now again, I'm going to navigate back to my admin panel, and I'm going to have a look at the comments, which function a little bit differently than the posts in that they're not categorized in the same way. Now this comment that's been posted here, I'm assuming, because this is an English-only site and we typically have English content, and this is a non-English post, I'm assuming that this is spam that has been put in there automatically by some program or some filter out there that's pushing content out. So I'm going to assume that this is spam and that I don't need it, and I'm going to not approve it. And this one here is a comment that someone has posted, makes sense to me, and I'm going to approve that one. So I'm going to select this one. I'm going to approve it. And then I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to mark it as spam, so it shows in the central directory that this is spam. So I've taken care of both of those, and that's it.